If you notice water leaking near the funnel while using your CM5418, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and effective solutions to fix this issue. This is actually a pretty common issue. When dosing coffee, some grounds might fall around the filter, or after brewing, there might be coffee residue left on the brew head. These small details can lead to leaks during the brewing process. Before using the CM5418, check the edges of the brew head for any coffee grounds. These residues can interfere with the seal, causing leaks. Be sure to clean them thoroughly. Next, after tamping, check the edges of the portafilter for any leftover coffee grounds. Even a small amount of residue can disrupt the seal and lead to leaks during extraction. That's it. By keeping the brew head and portafilter clean, you can prevent leaks and ensure a smooth coffee making experience.